In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Let's get started. First, launch your CapCut app. Now import the video. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different option. Click on the option Effects. Then click on the option Video Effects. Now search for Blur Effect. After it appears, select it. Clicking on the blur effect that you have chosen, you are able to adjust the blur amount. If you want to make the blur stronger or weaker, simply drag the slider to the left or right to adjust it. Once you have chosen the blur effect, go back to your timeline and drag the blur effect to cover the entire video. Now for the next effect, you will need to duplicate the clip. For that, click on the clip, then select the option Duplicate. After duplicating the video, ensure the copied video is selected. Next, tap the overlay button to move the duplicated video to the bottom track of your timeline. Now you'll need to search for the effect mask. Scroll through the effects and find mask. After you find it, click on it. Depending on what you are blurring, you can choose from shapes like triangle, circle, star or rectangle. Since I'm blurring the bottle, I'm gonna select rectangle. Once you do that, look for the invert button in the bottom left corner of the screen, which will reverse the marks to target only the area inside the shape. At this point, you can resize the marks by dragging the arrows to fit the area you want to blur. Once the blur is over the correct part, you may notice that if the object moves, your blur effect won't follow it. To fix this, we need to add keyframes. Select the max option again, click the keyframe button, move the playhead to another part of the video where you need to adjust the blur and simply drag the blur effect to follow the moving object. A keyframe will automatically be added. You may need to repeat this step several times to ensure the blur stays with the moving part of the video. And that's it. This is how you can easily blur a specific part of a video using CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.